In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Payhip account. If you've decided it's time to move on from Payhip, whether you're consolidating your digital store presence elsewhere or simply taking a break, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Payhip account. Once you're logged in and you're at your Payhip homepage, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on Account. This is your gateway to the settings where you can manage all aspects of your profile. After clicking on Account, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can tweak everything from your personal information to your store settings. For our purpose, we're going to focus on the account deletion process. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options to choose from. What you need to do next is click on Login Settings. This section allows you to alter how you access your Payhip account, including managing your account credentials and, importantly, controlling whether you want to keep the account active. Once you're in the login settings, you might notice it looks quite similar to other account management settings, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Scan through the options, and you should see a section labeled Account. Click on it. This action will bring up specific controls related to your account management. Now you're almost there. Within the Account section, you will find the option you're looking for, Delete Account. Before you click on it, make sure to double check that this is what you really want to do. Deleting your account is a permanent action, and once it's done, all your data, including store information and products, will be removed. So if there's anything you need to save, now would be the time to do it. Assuming you're sure, go ahead and click on Delete Account. Payhip might ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for leaving. Simply follow the prompts and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process to delete your Payhip account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with wherever your next online journey takes you.